The life story of Mia Malkova. Mia Malkova, name that resonates within the adult entertainment industry and beyond. But who is the woman behind the persona? This is the story of Melissa Hebner, known professionally as Mia Malkova. Born on July 1, 1992, in Palm Springs, California, Melissa grew up with a blend of French-Canadian, German, and Irish heritage. From a young age, she exhibited a natural flair for performance, often participating in school plays and local theater productions. Her early exposure to the arts laid the foundation for her future career in entertainment. As a teenager, Melissa entered the workforce at 16, taking a job at McDonald's. She later worked at Sizzler, gaining experience in the food service industry. These early jobs instilled in her strong work ethic and a desire for financial independence. In 2012, at the age of 19, Melissa made a pivotal decision to enter the adult film industry, adopting the stage name Mia Malkova. Her entry was influenced by her school friend, Natasha Malkova, who was already part of the industry. Mia's unique blend of beauty, professionalism, and enthusiasm quickly garnered attention, leading to collaborations with prominent studios such as Mile High, Girlfriends Films, and Jules Jordan Video. Her performances did not go unnoticed. In December 2012, she was honored as Twisty's Treat of the Month, and the following year, she earned the title of Twisty's Treat of the Year. These accolades propelled her career forward, establishing her as a prominent figure in the industry. Mia's dedication and talent culminated in winning the 2014 AVN Award for Best New Starlet, a prestigious honor recognizing her impact and potential within the adult entertainment sphere. She continued to expand her repertoire, exploring various genres and collaborating with a diverse range of performers. Beyond her work in adult films, Mia ventured into mainstream projects. In 2018, she collaborated with Indian filmmaker Ram Gopal Varma on the documentary God, Sex and Truth, which delved into the strength of women's sexuality and beauty. This project showcased her versatility and willingness to engage in thought-provoking content. On a personal note, Mia married fellow adult film actor Danny Mountain on July 20, 2014. However, the couple separated in 2018. She has a brother, Justin Hunt, who is also involved in the adult entertainment industry. Despite her public persona, Mia has maintained a level of privacy regarding her personal beliefs and experiences. In recent years, Mia has diversified her career by embracing new platforms. She has become an active live streamer on Twitch, engaging with fans through gaming and interactive content. This transition reflects her adaptability and desire to connect with a broader audience beyond traditional adult entertainment avenues. Today, Mia Malkova continues to evolve both personally and professionally. Her journey from a young woman in Palm Springs to an internationally recognized performer and content creator exemplifies resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to authenticity. She remains a source of inspiration for many, demonstrating that embracing one's true self can lead to a fulfilling and impactful life. Story serves as a testament to the power of self-determination and the courage to forge one's own path, regardless of societal expectations.